Good morning, children. Let us continue with construction of triangles. In the last week, we have discussed 4 constructions. I have explained you 2 constructions and 1 I have given you hint and 1 more I have given you to do it. And I told you to send your constructions of triangles after the class. But I am very shocked. The shocking was only 1, 2 or 3 children. Only 3 children they have sent the work immediately in the given time. Till evening, I have waited for till evening. Then also there were no return work sent by them. And the next they have sent on Sunday. Yesterday they have sent some of you are. And few of you are till now there is no return work, that is I haven't received your first 4 triangles, construction of first 4 triangles. Today who haven't done first 4 triangles, construction of first 4 triangles, today you have to send me exercise 16b from first question 2 till now, whatever I will explain till now. Maybe it may be question number 1 to question number 8. All 8 constructions. You have to send me all 8 constructions who are not yet sent me till now. Okay. See children, slightly the question is changing little bit. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB side is given 4.8 centimeter, BC is given 5.4 centimeter. Whereas CA is not given. Only 2 sides are given. Lengths of 2 sides and 1 angle is given. That is the difference I said. You just observe first 4 questions. First question, second, third and 4. In first 4, all 4 questions, lengths of all 3 sides were given. Length of a first side, length of a second side and length of a third side. 3 triangles, 3 sides will be there. All 3 sides lengths were given in first 4 questions. Whereas here only 2 sides lengths are given and 1 angle is given. To do this, children, I have already drawn a rough sketch here. This is the plan for the construction of a triangle. This is my plan. I have planned like this to construct. What is my plan? See, AB, BC, CA means let BC be the base. Second, let AB, BC, next will be CA. So BC let it be the base. So I have drawn BC of a length 5.4 centimeter. I have drawn 5.4 centimeter length base, right? And after that comes important step, children. Now directly you are not allowed to draw 4.8 centimeter. Don't do that. And I got a point B here. No? I got a point B here. So that should be 70 degree. How to measure with the protractor? Who are not understood, I am using a protractor now. There is a point here. There is a point here. In your protractor also this point will be there. This point should be kept on. This is actually a rough diagram. When I am constructing, I will tell you how to do this. This protractor should be kept on B. And where you will get 70 degree, there you should mark and you should draw a big line. Don't measure 4.8 centimeter. You should draw a big line with the help of a compass. With the help of a compass, we should take 4.8 centimeter and we should cut this. And we should cut that line. So this measures 4.8 centimeter. Here you will get a point, this point, and see you join it. This is a rough sketch, children. Now I will explain you how to draw, how to construct this triangle. I have drawn here. Now let me construct. To construct, I will use this plan. So in this plan it is said that draw, see children, construction of a triangle started. First step, draw line segment BC which is equal to 5.4 centimeters. I will start. Draw line segment BC which is equal to 5.4 centimeters. Okay. Let me draw 5. Children, if I go according to the centimeters, I will get very small triangle that you cannot observe properly. If I go particularly how much centimeter if I draw on the board, it will look very small. So what I will do is I will draw bigger die. I will construct with the bigger lines, so that you will come to know what I am doing. But you should not do that. With the same measurement you should draw. Just I am changing the measurement here because to get bigger triangle, right? For example, think that 5.4 centimeter line segment. Okay, 5.4 centimeter. See children, I have drawn BC, line segment BC of 5.4 centimeter. Drawn. First step. Second step, in the immediate step I should use protractor now because I got a point B here and angle B is 70 degree. I will keep this point. I will keep this one marked one on this point B, and this line should be exactly on this line. So keep like this, your protractor should be kept. Line should not be visible on the line. See here, line is here, exactly on the line, and 70 degrees here children as you are seeing. So mark a point 70 degree. Mark. Now without measuring, draw one big line by using this point and point B. Join these 2 points. You can extend the line also. Yes. See children, here is the point. I am extended. You can extend the line. But till now, I haven't got this 4.8 centimeter. Just what I have done is 70 degree B. And this is done. This is pending. 4.8 centimeter AB I haven't done till now. That I will do it now. How? Take a scale and start from zero. Stretch your compass till you get 4.8 centimeter. See children, I said already I am taking more than 4.5 because to get big diagram you should take only start from 0. Your pointer should be kept on 0. Pointer should be kept on 0. And you should stretch this pencil one till you get 4.8. See, 4.8 hardly I will get only this much. So this much I cannot draw, only small. You will get only small diagram. So stretch till 4.8, less than 5. So stretch till 4.8 and 4.8 and keep this pointer on B. Keep the pointer on B and mark an arc. Mark an arc. Keep pointer on B and mark an arc. Mark an arc. Right, children? Now, after marking an arc, you will get one point here. This slanted line and the arc both will cut each other in one point. This point they will cut in this point. So this is point A. This is point A and this AB measures 4.8 centimeter. Because you are taken a compass and you are stretched from 0 to 4.8 and cut here. Make arc, draw an arc. So this length will be 4.8. Now afterwards you should join this line and this line. You should join point A to C. Join point A to C. So this length is not given. This may be at this automatically we will get. This line will get automatically. How? BC line will already drawn in the first step and will mark an arc with the compass. Will get 2 points. Just join 2 points. Understood, children? When two sides are given, one angle is given, draw a base, take a protractor and keep it on B, mark 70 degree, here mark, draw a line, big line, don't measure to draw this line, this point at B you join it, you will get 70 degree. So after that, to get this 4.8 centimeter, take a compass, stretch your compass from 0 till 4.8, mark an arc and join this point and understood, children? Okay, let us start next one. Quickly let us see this next question, children. Question number 6. Construct triangle DEF. Now DEF triangle. In this DE, EF, FG means EF will be the base. Plan it, children. Plan first which should be the base. That you should plan. EF 3.8 centimeter. In that EF, F is 110 degree. 110 is obtuse angle. Greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Obtuse angle. Angle F. And FD is 5 centimeter. Again, two sides are given. EF 3.8 centimeter, FD 5 centimeter. Let us draw EF. Let us draw EF line segment of 3.8 centimeter. Angle is from where? Angle is originating from F. So here you should keep protractor now, not here. F is here. You should keep a pointer of protractor here and obtuse angle, children, 110 degree obtuse. Where 110 you will get, you should mark and you should join this point and this point. Now to get 110 degree. Now I want FD 5 centimeter. No. Take compass, stretch from the 0 and keep it pointer on here, 5 centimeter arc here. Mark an arc, you will get point. This arc and a line will meet at a point, give it as a D. Now E to D is 5 centimeter. Let us construct this, children, quickly. So EF line, draw first step is draw line segment EF of 3 centimeter. Draw line segment EF. Draw line segment EF of 3.8. I am sorry, 3.8 centimeter. 3.8 centimeter. Now, very next step, we should draw angle. Where I should keep this pointer on F, because F angle is given. F is here on this point. Keep this center point on this and this line. This line should exactly fall on this line. So straight, exactly straight line should not be visible. So see 110. 110 children, here also you will get 110. Here also you will get 110. You should be smart enough. Which 110 you should get? 110 is obtuse. Obtuse means slanting towards outside. Line will slant towards outside. So 110 is this one. 110 is this one. Don't take this. Don't take this. Because when you mark here, you will get acute angle. You will get acute angle if you mark here. No. Obtuse means you should mark 110 here. Now 110 mark, remove and join this F point, and this line you can extend more also. These 2 points, children, will join these 2 points. Join. Now this is 110 degree F angle. These 2 are done. Now I want FD 5 centimeter. To get FD 5 centimeter, now we should take compass and scale. So take from 0, keep your pointer on 0, stretch till you get 5 centimeter. Keep it on 0, stretch your compass till 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter if you got, exactly 5 centimeter if you got, yes. Now this length I should take and I should keep it with this one on E. I should keep this one on E and I should mark an arc. I should mark an arc here, 5 centimeter. Arc. 5 centimeter measurement is taken. No, it was. That 5 centimeter with the compass, you should mark an arc. Now you should join the line. You got a point here. This line and arc where both are meeting at point D. Join this D and E. Join this D and E. To get a triangle DEF. To get a triangle DEF, joined D and E. Understood, children? Okay, let us quickly go to the 7th, right? 7th. Children, now next we have to construct a triangle XYZ. In this, interestingly, 2 sides are equal, XY and XZ, 4.5 centimeter, and X angle is given. After constructing, they said you to measure angle Y and angle Z. Okay. Now let us start constructing. The first step is draw line segment XY, which is given here 4.7 centimeter. Okay, let us draw XY 4.7 4.7 centimeter XY. Children, here X angle is given, means protractor should be kept on X and it should be measured 80 degree. Keep protractor on X straight, line should not be visible. 80 here, 80 acute angle. So draw this, join these 2 points, join these 2 points. So now this is a point, now this is 80 degree. 80 degree. Now I want this 4.7 centimeter, no, here this length. So next step, you know already, to get that 4.7 centimeter, take scale and compass, stretch from 0 to till 4.7, till 4.7, 0 to 4.7 you stretch. So that measurement of 4.7, keep it pointer on X and mark an arc. So this will be 4 point. So this I got a point here. This is Z point. Join Z and Y. Join the line Z and Y. So this measurement will be now 4.7 centimeter. So XZ 4.7 and XY 4.7 and angle X is 80 degree. Right, children? Okay. Children, this question is very interesting and very easy. Now we should find out the triangle ABC, in which only one side is given. It is a different again. See, only this I will explain. 9th and 10th you should do yourself. It is exactly like 8th. So concentrate. BC, one side, ABC. BC is the base. That base is 5 centimeter. Right? And two angles are given. One angle at B. Another angle is at C. Means we should use protractor 2 times. One time we should keep it on B and we should mark 70 degree and we should draw a line, big line. Again keep protractor on C and where 50 degree will get, mark a point and draw. Both lines will cut each other at one point. That is A. Very simple, no children. Let me construct now. First step is to draw base BC 5 centimeter. Okay, let me draw 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter line. Okay, BC 5 centimeter line segment. According to this. Now second, angle B 70 degree. Take protractor, children. Keep protractor on point B with in the straight line. So angle is B is 70 degrees. So where I will get 70? Here. Put a point, mark and extend the line. You can draw the big line how much you want. Okay. This is 70 degree line. This is 70 degree line. So I got 70. Now once again I should keep protractor on C to get 50 degree. Keep this pointer on C and now this time 50 here, children. 50 acute angle here, 50 degree acute angle, 50 degree. From this point I have kept on the B, on the C I have kept on C and 50 degree. Join this point and C. Both will join both the lines, and interestingly both will meet at point, so call it as A. So this is 50 degree. Very easy to draw, children. When one side is given and two angles are given, so one side you draw it, keep protractor on the one point and see how much measurement we want. Keep a protractor, draw a line, keep protractor, see the measurement, put a point, draw a line. Both lines will cut each other. See, children, now you should do 9th and 10th yourself, right? Okay, thank you.